Can you describe yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 years old, maging CEO na ako niya ng Yulje Hospital.
Wow!
Try na, 5 years from now, 28, parang ano na ako niyan, grad na ako niya ng, grad na ako or nag-review na for physician's licensure exam.
Our future Andy.
5 years from now, I am an RN, UK RN, US RN, working in abroad.
5 years from now, napatat na ako. US RN, tapos may business, tapos may ipon, but wala pang family, guys. Yeah, tama.
Yun lang. So, 5 years from now, I think I'm a happy wife. And feel ko may twins na ako. Sana may twins na ako that time. And then, mag-travel kami around the world. That's it.
So, 5 years from now is I'm living my dream life and ayun lang, peaceful lang ang life ko and I love what I am doing.
5 years from now, I'm a nurse sa UK. May bahay na ako doon. Tapos may house na madami. Kasama ko si Titay.
5 years from now, nurse na ako sa SPH.
Wow!
Tapos, nag-wait na ako for USRN.
Yes.
5 years man siya. And hopefully, dapat makahawa na ko yung alangan tayo.
So 5 years from now, I'm working abroad, naturally stable, and living peaceful. RN, US RN, and madami na akong pera.
Sa Europe na ako, nurse na ako, and USRN na ako.
Describe yourself 5 years from now.